Okay, so today we are doing the final review for the Bird Catcher Pro, which is a cat wand toy. And we were sent 2 of the poles and then several attachments. And this is Caymus, and this is Murphy, and Caymus and Murphy are my parents' cats. So the wand comes to you. I'm gonna do it like this. It comes apart like that, more like a fishing pole, and then you just put it together and then attach the attachment via this little hook. And like I've said before in wand toys, it's nice that it has a bell because it attracts the cats to know what it is and what they're going to play with. Now it has this attachment, which has a regular string, and then it also has an attachment that has an elastic string. And one of the elastic string ones broke while product testing, so that's something to look out for. I think I prefer the regular string, and I'm gonna play with them so that you guys can see how it works. It also comes in this little bag that you can store it all in if you want. But I definitely think that getting a bunch of attachments is a good idea, just because that helps with replacements if you need them. Where you go, Bo? So what I like about this toy is that it's really easy to, if I can get it away from Murphy, it's really easy to make it move like a bird. And this is funny, when I first brought this over to them, we've had it for I think a couple months. Get it, Bo. Get it, Bo. Did you catch it? Go take it away, Bo. Take it away, Bo. Get it, Bo. Murphy, who I call Bo, always likes to take his prize away. Anyway, when I first brought this over, Caymus was out and about and not sleeping, whereas Murphy was. So I was trying to get Murphy to play with it more like this when I first brought it over, but we had people over and he wasn't really excited about being out with the oven going on. Murphy's scared of the oven. When Murphy's 9 years old, but when he was 18 months old, he got something in his colon. We think it might have been curling ribbon or something like that, but something got stuck in his colon and he had to have surgery. And at the vet, when they're recovering, they have him, sorry, Bo. Bo, where did it go? Here's a close-up of the feathers. So anyway, he had to have surgery, and when he was on the narcotics, he's in the stainless steel cages, so now when the oven opens, which is stainless steel at my parents' house, he freaks out. He can't handle it. So when people are over for dinner, he's not a big fan. Come on, Noose. Noose won't play a lot when Murphy's around. He's less inclined to be his playful self. Oh my god, I love that cat. Oh my god. Noose, you are so cute. Noose! Killing me. Killing me, Noose. It's like Noosey goodness. Noosey, that's a little pissed off, Noosey. Okay, I'm going to try to see if I can get it to fly. Oh my god, I love the look of the whiskers forward. I don't know if you can tell. Caymus, Caymus! Something must be going on. Come on, Bo. You were getting it? Whoa! Get it! Get it! Gibo! 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 Bo, where are you taking it? Do I get it back? Bo, can I get it? Thanks, Bo. So I'll include a link in the description in the About section below where you can buy the Birdcatcher Pro online. I definitely like it. So we've product tested 3 cat wand toys now, the Neko Flies, the Birdcatcher Pro, and the Tiger Teasers, and they're all different and they all have their own benefits. And this one is that it's more like a bird. And I'll include a video of Charlie and Trig playing with it too. They get a little bit more wild and rambunctious about it. And Caymus can get there. It's just a matter of what state I find these two in, since I don't live here with them. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and we will see you next time. Get it. Noose, when was the last time you breathed that hard? Caymus! Caymus is definitely a ragdoll when he plays. He waits for the toy to come to him. I always like dragging it across their body.